What's up, it's Wills, and today we're going to be working on this Honda Fit. The headlight bulbs went out, so we're going to be replacing them with these new LEDs. So for the Honda Fit, the bulb size you want is going to be 9003 or H4. Those are for the low and high beams. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, we're going to go ahead and open up the hood. And with these Honda Fits, you'll notice that there's no way to get to the bulb from under the hood. You actually have to go through the wheel well to get to the bulb. But essentially we're just opening the hood so we can get some light to see behind the wheel well. So down up under the wheel well, we'll have to remove a few tabs. There will be one right here. There'll be one inside here. And lastly, there'll be this screw type one right here in the middle. So for these push tab ones, they're pretty easy to take off. Just get a flathead under there and just pull them out like that. They have these little areas where you can stick a screwdriver in, just poke it in, and it'll pop out. So for the middle tab, I went ahead and turned the wheel outwards so I get some more clearance to get this screwdriver in there. Alright, and it's out. Alright, now that all those tabs are off, I'm going and peel back the fender liner and get to the headlight bulb. I'll have to just reach up in there. You can see here's the back of the plug. Just wiggle it and it'll come off. Next, put that out of the way. Next we'll pull off this rubber grommet. Now you can see the back of the headlight. Alright, so for this tab right here, we'll push in and up, and it'll come out just like that. You pull the bulb out, and now it's out. So you want to pay attention to the orientation you pulled it out. So if you take a look, the larger tab is on the top and the two smaller tabs are on the bottom. So that's the same way you're going to want to put in the new bulb. So here are the new bulbs I'm putting in. They're LEDs, so they should be a lot brighter and give a lot better visibility. So here's how it went in. We're just going to match that up with the large tab facing upwards. Alright, so we're just going to get the new bulb in. Nicely in place. Get this retaining clip back over it, and then there's this little thing that it hooks into. Get back on the little rubber piece. Alright, lastly we'll go ahead and just get the harness on. And that's it. Alright, so the driver's side, removing the fender liner is the exact same process, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on this side how the tab goes in and out. So we're on the driver's side. You can see this is the tab that holds the headlight in. To take it out, just push in and up, and to put it back in, go over this little tab and it hooks in right there. So if you're having any trouble, that's how it goes in and out, just like that. Alright, so before we put everything back together, just make sure the headlights work. The headlights are working. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. And if you enjoyed my content, go ahead and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace.